Alright, I'm going to show you a little performance video of how this effect will look so you can see how this effect will look. This is Alex Elmsley Between the Palms effect. Okay, so you're going to start off, you say this is kind of like the backwards card effect. Okay, that is, I'm going to find your card before you even select it. So what you do is you take out one card, okay, and you put that in their hand. I'm just going to use the table here. Okay, now at this point you have a card selected and signed, okay, and then this will be what happens. You reach in your pocket and you pull out some cards. You say, I've got some these are spirit cards, right, blank cards. The spirit of the cards are going to catch the spirit or the essence of the card, and I'm not going to touch that card, but what I'm going to do is pick it up like this, and I'm going to have you turn that over. So then they turn that over and they show that there was the signed card the whole time. So I hope you like that. That's Alex Elmsley's Between the Palms, and it's a very, very strong effect. Alright, hello everybody. In today's video I'm going to show you a variation of Alex Elmsley's Between the Palms, and it's a Peter Duffie effect on that. Then I combined it with 3-card monte as well. So this is 2 effects into one, 2 routines blended into one little card routine. So what you want to do is you want to start off and you want to have this is your setup. I'm going to show you everything here. You're going to have a joker, an ace. You're going to take another blank card, and you're going to write you owe me $14 on that. Okay, that's going to be going in this order. The 14 card, the diamond, and the joker, that's going to be on top of the deck. Okay, you're going to have 2 blank cards. One is going to be in your pocket. Okay, you could have your coat pocket, or how you're going to do that. You're going to have 1 blank card, which you're going to have on top of the deck. You're going to have a card selected and you're going to have a card signed. Okay, so for this I'll just sign it here. Sign it here is Ed Marlowe, my favorite cardician. And what you're going to do is you're going to begin the effect before you have that signed. Before you have it signed, what you're going to do is have a blank card, and you're going to either have a break on it or just have it in the middle of the pack and say, I'm going to remove 1 card before we start as a prediction card. You're not going to show it, but that's actually going to be one of the blank cards. So this will go in the spectator's hand. Okay, now you're going to have the card then selected and signed on the face. You can turn your back, and you're going to put this back in. Now you're going to push it in, you're going to hold a break directly below it with your pinky. And you're not going to shuffle the deck or anything like that. You're going to riffle the deck using this this spring thing. You're springing the deck with the break. That gives you a reason to square up. As you square up the mess, you're going to side still, okay, out the signed card into palm. And I switch grips. Now they're holding this between their palms like this, the card that they have over there, which is a blank, right? You've just palmed out the card. You're going to reach in your pocket. You're going to pull out the other card that you have in there, and you're going to come out like this. You're going to do a frustration count, okay? So this is what you actually have here, right? And you're going to say, look, I have these ghost cards, you can say, or whatever you want. These they're going to catch the spirit or the essence of your card. So you're going to do the frustration count, okay? You're then going to come over and pick it up like this. This is a move from Gordon Bean. It was developed by Gordon Bean and several others. Bill Goodwin, Jack Carpenter, and myself. We all developed it over 20 years ago at A1 Multimedia Conventions, where a lot of this was developed. But this is a Jack Carpenter idea too. So what you have here, okay, is you have the signed card. We'll back it up. You pull these out of your jacket. When you come out with it, you want to come out with it with this side up, okay? you're going to do the frustration. Okay, frustration count. Now you're going to come in at diagonal angles. Okay, and this would be, there's two different ways to do it. I'm going to show you the tabled way. This is the tabled way. Okay, you're going to come over like this, and then you're just going to use it as pinchers to pick it up off the table and have them turn it over. Okay, that's one way. The way that Peter Duffie does it is different, and I'll show you that. You come out of your pocket like this, you do a frustration count, okay? You set those in their hand. So that's remembered if it's in their hand. Depending on if it's on the table, you'll do it the way I just showed. If it's in their hand, you'll put these underneath, then you'll put one underneath. Then you'll turn over the top card and the bottom card. So you just say these cards are like the spirit cards are going to capture the essence of your card, and then you say you've been holding on to one card the whole time. Then you show that as a selection. Now, in my next video, I'll explain that this is a two-phase thing. So in the next video, I'll explain the next one.